Guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create business page on LinkedIn. Okay, so if you want to create the business page on LinkedIn, for that you need a one personal account of LinkedIn. So just create a one personal account, or if you have already personal account, then it is good. So just let's go ahead. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here I'm on my personal account, and on left side you can see I had three page I have already created. This is my demo account, so I have created pages for video tutorial. So I'll show you again to create the new page by creating new page. So let's start with the video. Here in work section, in down arrow, click on down arrow, and here just click on create the company page. Okay, so here there's a three option you will get, that you have to choose the LinkedIn your company type, and okay. So if you are small, medium, large business, you can click on it. If you are showcase page, like you have like associated with the existing page, sub page associated with the existing page, you can create it. For education student means you have school, university, or any kind of education form that you can select it. In my case, I just select the small business and large, medium, or large business. Okay, so here you have to give the name. I just give name it cost web text. So this would be my LinkedIn profile link. Okay, so what is the profile link? Here you can see the linkedin.com company and setup. Here will this you will get the this is your this is your profile link. Okay, so this name you will get here when you share the your company page to others. Okay, so you can set up the another name. Okay, to look good or look professional. So by default it's take name, so you can just make change any if you want. You can check them and make the change if you want. And this is website, you have to insert your company website. Now this is the industry, you have to choose industry or anything. If you have youtubers, okay, industry, company industry. Okay, company size just select, and okay, government, non-profit, private, partnerships. Here you can choose the logo. Okay, you can upload logo after, no problem. If you want to upload, you can upload. This is a timeline, this is a tagline. Okay, this is like tagline of your company, so you can, it will be show like after your name. So this is tagline here, this tagline will be show here, so you can like tab your company tagline or slogan. Subscribe my channel. Okay, and you have to verify the authorize all. Okay, company. Okay, so I just this services. Okay, so you have to select from this down option. So for youtuber there's a no have, so I just digital service. Okay, I just, okay, choose this one. You have to search your industry and you have to choose from this down option. Okay, so after all done, okay, here this is follow option and logo. Okay, just create page, then page will be create. Okay, done. You have a super admin, means you are the admin of this page. Now this is the 7 remaining you have to complete. Now you have to complete one by one. So you have to first add website, logo, anything. Just click on next, and you have to add everything like location and all. Okay, so you can also go on your company page and click on this pencil icon. You can upload the cover photo and you can go to the edit page, and here you can see all information that you need to fill. So you just select the uh, option that you want to fill and just fill it. Okay, hashtag, you can use the hashtag for your profile. Okay, if your business you can use the hashtag related to your business, so you can use the hashtag. You can add the language here. Okay, you can also choose the location. Location is very important, you have to choose your location, business location. Okay, so add the location and it will be added here. So you can complete everything from here, that the page will be created, and you can go to your page by clicking on this on your left side. Here you can see on my page you will see all your page, or you can go directly from here. Okay, from here you will see your all page. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.